Welcome to Jesse's Beauty Parlor.
Got love by the buku, you kick it like jujitsu. You always like the Postmate, a couple things from voodoo. You say your mama lives.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica and today I'm showing you how I do my own nail extensions or custom press-ons in partnership with Macart. They sent over their new Birds of Paradise collection bundle. It comes with a 4-color polygel kit, their nail pump-ups, which are the press-ons you saw in the intro, a nail decor kit, and a 6-color gel polish set. They also sent me a nail stand, which is really easy to use if you're making custom press-ons, or you could even use it to design nails for your dominant hand if you don't want to use your other hand. I'm gonna swatch all of the nail polishes for you on the ballerina pump-ups. To start, I'm first finding my size in the press-ons for all of my nails and gluing them on. I cut the thumbnail down before application to make it more manageable and to cut the rest after so they can be in proportion to each other. Next, I'm filing them down. You can do ballerina, stiletto, or whatever other shape you like. I like almond shaped nails. Wipe them off and apply the base coat before curing. For the first layer, I'm using the shade Madarin, which is a light pinky purple shade. I've wanted to try the kitschy, gloopy outline nails for a while now, so I decided to do that today. I'm drawing on a rough outline. It shouldn't be perfect since it's supposed to look like a doodle. Macart's gel polishes are super opaque, so you don't really need that many coats. I usually just use one layer, which is what I did here. And then we're gonna cure that first layer. So if you've never used gel polishes before, these don't air dry like traditional nail polishes. They're dry right after you cure them in the lamp, so you can play around with layering nail art without any mess or extensive wait time. Next, I'm using the mint green shade in Peach Face to do another outline. I'm also using Macart's rhinestone glue to create an S shape on the other nail and to outline the pinky for a 3D design. Remember to cure. Sometimes the nails get too hot, just take out your hand and let it cool for a few seconds before continuing to cure the nails. For the last two nails, I'm going to use the rhinestone glue to create an outline and then apply the flat back rhinestones that came with the kit on top. I really like how this turned out. It reminds me of sprinkles. So cute and sparkly. Finally, we're going to apply the top coat and cure for the last time. apply cuticle oil, and that's it. Super easy and way less expensive than going to the salon. I could get at least 15 full sets out of this. If you like having cute nails and haven't learned how to do your own press-ons yet, I highly recommend you do. This is coming from someone who never really did her own nails before last year, since my mom does nails, but Makartt has a ton of super affordable nail kits I've been using, which make it really easy to do press-ons or nail extensions. And of course, I got you guys a discount code, so you can use code JessieLuxe to get 15% off your entire order on Makartt.com. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!